let's insert SIM card into Samsung Galaxy S25. So in order to do this, we will need to open the SIM tray, which is of course located at the bottom on the right side of the charging port. Over here we have this hole that is used in order to open the SIM tray, and for this we will need to use the SIM eject tool or simple pen or something similar in order to pop out the SIM tray. So let's put the eject tool into that hole and then push it slightly so that the SIM tray comes out, and then you use your fingers or fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. This is how the SIM tray looks like. We have, in my case, I have 2 SIM slots. Here's SIM 1, and then at the back we have SIM 2, and we can insert the SIM card. In order to do so correctly, we need to simply match the shape of the SIM slot, which is also visible on the SIM slot itself. We have this drawing, and just put it in. It should easily go in, but also you need to be careful because the SIM slots are usually very loose and it is easy to drop and lose your SIM card. So at the back, if you're trying to put it at the back as well to insert the second SIM, you want to keep holding with your finger on the other side so that you don't accidentally drop and lose the first SIM, I mean, as well. So now in order to put it back in, let's take a look. Over here we have the SIM tray slot, of course, and we need to simply match the hole that we have on the right side. Unfortunately, I have dropped one of my SIM cards, but essentially you want to try to hold it with your finger so that it don't drop. Like I said, it's really loose, and I actually did it the wrong way. So put it back in and push it with your finger in order to fully close it. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.